We're cooking al fresco today, and there's only one ingredient: Coca-Cola, because we're cooking delicious and simple Pata Coca-Cola. Or Pata Tim with Coca-Cola sauce. And welcome to Channel Juan, your place for growing, cooking, and sharing. Join me for some fun, learning, and for the sceneries. Hello, warm greetings. Your Kuya and Uncle here in the Philippines. You're watching Channel Juan, by the way, your place for growing, cooking, and sharing. And today we're cooking a very simple dish. It's hamon. Correction, it's pata. In Coca-Cola sauce. It's a shock perhaps to many of you. You know, Coca-Cola gives a flavor similar to cinnamon and other spices. So why not boil hamon? Again, it's pata. In Coca-Cola. It also has this sweetness that everyone enjoys. So this is not intimidating. Jonathan, my cousin, who is foreign to this dish, he has never done this before, but he will do the cooking. He will just be boiling this in Coca-Cola. How easy can that be? So Jonathan will do the cooking. We'll see him later once it's cooked. It's easy. We don't have to show this all to you. Just boil and it's done. Just boil for 3 hours until it's soft enough. If you find this scary, look away for now. No arrangements necessary. I don't know why Jonathan is enjoying laying these pieces. And this is a view from our backyard. You've heard it. Use minimum 1.5 liter for every kilo. You can add more for extra sweetness. No onions necessary, but just salt and pepper. No garlic even. Salt and pepper are standards, that's why I didn't include them in the list of ingredients. Okay, let's start with high flame. Once it boils, low flame, simmer it approximately 3 hours or until it's tender and the sauce is thick. If it gets too dry, just add water. We may not have a video tasting and enjoying this, but we promise this is delicious. Try it today.